Hi, do you ever feel a bit flummoxed when a pattern says to ease the fabric in onto another piece of fabric that's a bit shorter than it? I'm going to show you how to do that today. I'm pinning a back bodice to a skirt and it's in 3 panels, so I've matched up the dart and the seams here. But this part here, it says to ease in, and you can see that this is a lot larger than the piece underneath. I will work out where the sort of centre point is, and that does sort of match up with my notches as well, and pop a pin in pointing down. And then I just want to sort of stretch the back piece a little bit, which will make the front fit better, and gradually add pins along this width. And sometimes the more pins you have, the better it fits. So I'll keep pinning in there. And this here, I'll sort of find the centre point so it's even, and pop a pin in, and gradually do that over and over again until it's pinned in place. But this front piece here will have a little bit more fabric, but a bit evenly distributed. You can do this on, this is a waist seam, but this might be useful also on a sleeve seam or something like that. So that's all now pinned in on the rear. So when I'm going to sew this, I'm going to put it so the pins are on the bottom. And this is all to do with how the machine feeds the fabric through. So I'm going to pop this in position and start sewing. I like to pull the pins out as I approach them, and just take your time. There's no rush doing this. So this seam is stitched now. You can see there's just a bit extra fabric on this side. And this is the right side, and this has been eased in. You can just see it's slightly more fabric there, but once it's pressed, it'll look absolutely fine.